Welcome back. Now that you've opened your first Google Sheet, let's take a quick tour of the interface. Now don't worry, I'll take you through every part so you're not just clicking buttons blindly. Now at the very top over here you can see it's called Untitled Spreadsheet. You can choose to rename the spreadsheet to anything you want. So in this case you can just call it My Sheet. Like so, and hit enter, and you've completely rename that Google Sheet. Now at the very top over here we have the menu. Now each tab over here gives you a different set of options. For example, the file tab allows you to create, open or download files. The edit allows you to undo, redo, cut, copy and paste. The view allows you to zoom in and out, freeze rows or columns. And the insert allows you to add rows, columns, charts, etc. And if you hover over every one of them, you'll see the set of commands they have, and then you can choose one and use it as you go. Now over here we have the toolbar menu. We have a number of tools over here. The most common one are the text formatting tools, which are these. You can change the font size, bolden it, italicize it, use track through, or even alter the text color. Then we have alignment tools over here, which can help you change the alignment of text or any data you'll have in your Google spreadsheet. Then we have borders, we have fill color, we have match cells, and as you can see, if I hover over any tool I have, it will give me the name. So that is the insert link. That is the insert comment, we have insert chart, we have filter, and so on. So these are the tools that we have. Then over here you can see a small FX icon. This is the formula bar. Now this is located just above the spreadsheet grid, and this is where all formulas or cell contents appear. Now for example, if I type in a number here, it will directly appear here. If I choose another cell, type a different number, and select the cell, ensure the cell is selected, the number will appear here. So whatever cell you're on, whatever data it contains, that will be highlighted at the very top over here. Then we have the main canvas. So this is the main canvas. This is a spreadsheet area. This is where you will input all your data, and every single one of these little rectangles is known as a cell. So this is where you'll put in your data. This is when you type in whatever you want to type in. This is where you make all those edits. This is where all the work will be done. Now at the very bottom we have, you can see a sheet 1. So over here you can add as many number of sheets you want to one Google spreadsheet. You can see this little plus icon. If you click on it, it will add another sheet, and if I click on and again, it will keep on adding as many sheets as I want. Now you can see each one has a drop down arrow. If I click on the drop down arrow, you can see we have multiple options. Now you can delete it. Let's select another one. You can duplicate it. So I'm going to show you each of these commands as we go. You can copy it to a new spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet. You can rename it. So let's call it mine. Hit enter. So you can completely rename it. Again, let's go back to the original one. You can change the color. You can protect the sheet by adding a password. You can hide the sheet. You can move right or move left depending on where it is. You can see you've moved it right, and you can also delete it. So you can work with as many sheets as you want in one spreadsheet, and that is something I will show you later on. Now that is the basic layout of Google Sheets. It might look like a lot at first, but once you know where everything becomes easier to use. Now in the next lesson we'll start your first real project, and that is creating a basic spreadsheet from scratch.